Currently in some nice NQ buys, looking pretty good right now. As you guys could see, really A plus trade. Was waiting the whole fucking day for the setup, so let's see. Hopefully it plays out. My TP is around 110 points, so let's see. Yes, sir. We just reached the 1-to-1. That's nice. I put my rocket for good luck, but let me go real quick in MetaTrader and put the stop loss to break even real quick. Wait. BE, boys. We're risk-free. That's all that matters. Professional risk takers and our risk-free. Best part of the game. I'm thinking about holding it all the way to the 930 highs because we have a really good entry all the way down here. So I'm really thinking about just holding that shit all the way up there instead of just a 2-to-1. But we'll see if I actually do it or just close at a 2-to-1. Currently still in the trade. It's around almost 2 p.m. The 4 hours about to close pretty bullish, so I'm pretty confident in this trade. I added another position when we tapped in the 50-minute gap and respected it. Holding all the way to 930 highs, so let's see how this plays out. It might be an overnight trade. Yo, what's good, guys? Enki Demon here. We're back with another video. I'm back with posting the trade recaps for you guys because a lot of you guys have been asking, and to be honest, I was just really being just a lazy ass nigga. Just not posting, even though I was still trading and trading with the exclusive Discord, the VIP Discord. I was still trading, sending signals, doing market analysis, helping you guys. I was still responding to DMs on Instagram. I was doing everything but uploading on YouTube. And then yeah, because I was not really that active anymore in the Discord, a lot of people thought that I stopped, but no, I didn't stop. I'm still doing my thing. I'm still trading, and it's going better than ever. It's going really good. The last couple of months were pretty good, especially August. August was definitely one of my best months. I ended that month up like around 12 to 13 RR, and I risk around 1.5%. So you could do the math on that. That's almost, I think, almost 20%. So yeah, August was pretty good. September was decent. October has been pretty slow. October hasn't been the best, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, as long as I'm managing my risk well and I'm doing everything correctly and I'm not, you know, attaching any emotions to this stuff, nothing bad is gonna happen. It's part of the game, you know what I mean? As long as you're following everything right, you're still, you know, practicing good habits, you're doing everything right, from an objective standpoint, then yeah, there's no way you can be profitable. So as you guys know, if you guys watched my last video that I posted, by the way, thank you for the support on that video. It's doing pretty good. But if you guys did watch my video, I am a funded trader. And so, you know, you do have some really strict rules with those prop firms. And that's definitely, like, again, why risk management is so important. And yeah, I don't know where I'm trying to get to. I'm just yapping right now, like I always do in all of my videos. But I wanted to give you guys just a live trade recap from the trade that I took today. If you guys did see from the clips that I put before this, I just came back from the gym, traded BE. Definitely really annoying because it was I was targeting the 930 high, but after that, to be honest, I just wanted to get out at a 2RR after I saw how much we started chopping. But yeah, we only ran around a 1.8R and then we reversed, and it was pretty surprising because, not gonna lie, the hourly, even though we were still in this this bearish for value gap, it closed really bullish, and so I did not expect for us to reverse. But as you guys could see, we still reversed. It is what it is. It happens. 4 hour did close pretty bullish, respecting this 4 hour gap. But again, I can't control what price action does. We still ended up reversing. And yeah, I can't do anything about it. It is really annoying. These type of trades are really annoying. Like, I hate these type of trades more than losing trades, because usually losing trades, I lose within like 30 minutes. You know what I mean? Like, it hits stop loss relatively quick. And so these type of trades that take, you know, over an hour, or how many hours was I in this trade? I was in this trade for almost 3 hours, and then it just comes back and stops you out at break even. You know, obviously I did have good risk management. After we kept respecting this 50-minute gap, you know, it was clear that my stops had to be at break even. I do always do it at a 1-to-1, but even if you don't do that at a 1-to-1, like if you saw that 50-minute gap, you definitely should have managed your risk and set your stop loss to break even if you were in longs. If you took shorts, hey, good looks, good on you. You follow your plan. As long as you follow your plan, you're good. That's a good trade. Obviously, longs weren't, yeah, they were the move, but at the same time, the markets really didn't do that much today. Like, if you look at the daily candle, I'm pretty sure it's just, yeah, I don't know, man. It's weird. It's just a huge wick for no reason. Anyways, what I wanted to say is, yeah, at least I managed my risk well. You know, at the end of the day, we are professional risk takers as traders. So as long as I didn't really lose money and I managed my risk well, that's okay. I did add a position right here after we were respecting the 50-minute gap and we got a nice reaction higher. I did add another position here. That did get stopped out, so that's why it's not a break-even day but a losing day. But I only lost around $350 on that position right there since the stop loss was at that low. Overall, that's almost nothing because I risk around 1.5k per trade, 1.5% on 100k. So you know that $300 is nothing. But yeah, the trade recap, it was pretty simple. We had some higher time frame PDRAs, some higher time frame bullish gaps. I was waiting because we tapped it from 9:30. We just dumped and we tapped it, but I was waiting for my entry confirmation. When we got this nice bounce up higher, I remember one of my mentors in the past always said never take the first bounce. So you know, if you did take this first bounce, you would have got violated. But we did get this first bounce higher and then another bounce, and then right here I was almost done trading for the day, and then we got my entry confirmation, and then I got in longs. The one thing I could have done better is gotten a better entry at maybe this fair value gap, but after I got this candle right here, that was enough for me to enter, and I didn't even know we were going to create that fair value gap until after I entered. After I entered, this candle closed, and then I saw, okay, we're creating a gap, and then we filled it. So yeah, I don't know. I really couldn't have done anything better in that situation. That is all hindsight now. So yeah, I entered around 11:15. Yeah, around 11:15, 11:10, 11:15, I entered long stops below this candle's body. And I was basically, first, I usually always targeted 2RR, but this time, since I said in my exclusive group that, you know, I had a pretty low entry on this move if we were to go higher. This is a really good low entry, so I was definitely trying to target at least like the 930 high, because you see, now in hindsight, it doesn't really look that bullish, but we were looking really bullish at the time of entry. So I said, yeah, I'm going to target the 930 high this time. That was around the 2.7 RR. Let me see if I can even, nah, I can't open my Discord right now. But yeah, so I was targeting the 930 high today instead of just a regular 2 risk to reward, but not even the 2 risk to reward would have gotten hit. So doesn't even fucking matter. And yeah, I waited for my entry confirmation with my model. Entered, shit ran, created a bunch of gaps higher. It was really just looking really bullish overall, but we did end up reversing from this 15-minute SIBI. And you know, it's annoying, but it does happen, so it's nothing new. You know what I mean? It's not like, you know, I've been through this a lot of times. I've been trading this strategy for a really long time, so it is what it is. It happens. Hopefully tomorrow, Friday, we could get a better trade. This was my only trade of this week, guys. It's Thursday, and I only took one trade this week. Hopefully tomorrow we could get a better trade. If not, then it's probably going to be a basically break-even week. Like I said, October has been pretty slow. Ever since we started Q4, it's been pretty slow in my opinion. At least with my model. Maybe for some of you guys' model, it's been going really well, and that's completely fine. Everybody trades different. Nobody is the same. Not every trader is the same. But yeah, for me personally, it has been pretty slow. Let me guys comment what do you guys trade, how do you guys trade, because I'm really curious on how some of you guys trade. Do you all trade ICT like me, or because I trade ICT but I've created my own model around it, but I do use ICT's concepts? Do you guys also trade ICT, or if not, what do you trade? Support and resistance, supply and demand, and how is October going for you? How is Q4 going for you? You know what I mean? Because for me, it's been pretty slow, so I just want to know. Like I wanted to say, that was today's trade. Pretty straightforward. We took longs, got stopped out at break even after a couple of hours. It is what it is. You know, these days happen. What I wanted to mention is, can you guys please follow my Instagram at NQDemon? I'm really trying to grow on there. I want to reach 1K followers on there. Right now I'm at like 270. So if you guys could please follow my Instagram, that would be really nice. I really appreciate it. And maybe one of you guys that follow me and DM me, I'll give you guys free access to the exclusive room. So yeah, I think that's all for today. Again, if you guys want to join the exclusive room in my Discord, the link is in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, or if we do find a trade tomorrow. If not, the next time we find a trade, I'll be back. I might post another week in the life next week because I do have some footage of like a month ago that I recorded, but I never ended up uploading. So I might upload another week in the life of a Funded Trader next week or the week after that. So stay tuned for that also. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and take care.